I asked Lovable, how can I add the payment in my website? It said you can add Shopify or you can add Stripe. I don't have a Stripe account, but yesterday I created a Shopify account so that then I could sell my t-shirts. All part of a big experiment. So let's go and try to connect the store. And I want to show you live step by step. We may mess up, but let's see what happens. So here I'm giving access. It's connected successfully. Wait, that easy? Okay, let's see this. Okay, it's thinking storefront token of existing products. So I think I need to have a product called Mexican salsa. That's the one that I'm selling in the shop. I think I need to have it in Shopify as well. But let's just allow and say, yes, I'll create the product. My shop is going to be like, it's an experimental shop, so why not? You're more than free to buy my Mexican salsa if you are here in Malaysia. So let's see what's happening. This is pretty cool. Yesterday I spent like an hour or so to set up Shopify, more than an hour. I was setting up Shopify. I set up the product. And then I have like 5 different designs for the t-shirt. But it was such a pain that I was like, you know what? One is okay. It is just a test. But if Lovable can do this, it seems like automatically it can create the product. Even if the copy may not be as refined as I wanted to, let's see what it does. So it's setting up the card store for usability right now. So now it's just thinking. And as you can see, the big red thing is I need to update my payment method. I'm late. What? But Lovable, if you're watching this, just give me more credits for free so that I can promote your product. I'm a super user. Okay, so now it's wiring the card sync and UI updates. And let's see what happens. And for this website, just to test, I did this website to test many things, but basically I came up with 6 products. And I'm only setting up the card to pay in the website with 1 product. So let's see what happens. We can test with the others another time. Oof, it's adding first in grid. Okay. Now I am like, it's taking too long. But even if it's too long, it's taking what, 3 to 5 minutes? Yesterday it took me like an hour or 2 to put it together. So let's see. Let's see. Ah, okay, added. Amazing. Get yours now, and everything else it's on WhatsApp. So let's scroll here. Basically, what I need to do first is I I need to create the product in the Shopify shop and then connect the shop to here, because then exactly it's a get yours now. So it said it just added it to chart to the cart. So let's put it here. Oh, this is super cool. Check out with Shopify. So it's blocked. So let me then come back here because now we're on staging. I haven't published. I want to show you 2 things. I want to show you, this is my shop. So basically, I need to find a way to show you the actual shop that I created yesterday. Maybe it's in home. Give me 1 second. View my shop. So now we're opening. Here we have purpose-driven fintech, This is interesting. Okay, see? So we have every woman should AI. This is the t-shirts that I created yesterday. It is amazing. You can now order yours, and I will be adding more the other designs as soon as I have a little bit of time. But then if we come here to the catalog, Lovable did create the Mexican salsa product as well. And then you can just add to cart and pay with PayPal. This is super cool. So then what I'm going to do next is I'm going to publish this. Publish update so that then we can go to the website, see how it works, and then I can fix it. You'll see how debug in real time. Now I can spend like days working on apps and doing stuff. So let's say here we have Bloom. So the app, the shop. Amazing. So I have the well-being products. So it's created a shop, Money's Kitchen. And then basically for all of these things that I've created before, I can order on WhatsApp and then it will take me to my WhatsApp as such. So I'm going to close. But then here, get yours now. This is the t-shirt that I created uh, yesterday. Get yours. And then it's added. Then, oh my God, this is so cool. This is amazing. Okay, check out. Let me close that little bubble. Okay, it's okay. Check out. And it's taking me to my shop that it's the purpose-driven fintech e-commerce shop in Shopify. This is absolutely amazing. It has estimated taxes and everything, the shipping. Okay, let's pretend to buy one. I can pay with PayPal, and then as a user, it redirects me to the PayPal. Ta-da. That's it. And I can just pay and continue. I can pay with bank account, pay with card. And now anyone like opening a Stripe account may take a little bit of time. I haven't done it. So I cannot comment. But opening a PayPal account is so easy. This is mega, mega cool. So now let's come back. It's longer than I thought, but now let's do something. Um, the let's say the every woman should AI goddess drop the description, replace the description with the one in the Shopify catalog. Product. And the Mexican salsa product in this website. Replace order on WhatsApp with the corresponding Shopify product. As simple as that. It will take a few seconds, as you know, or maybe a minute or two, and then we'll test, we'll see what happens, and then that's it. That's the lesson for today. It is absolutely amazing. Well done, Lovable. So in the meantime, while it thinks, what are you building? Like, I'm serious. All these, it seems like a little bit disjointed, but it's not. Every single experiment that I do is a skill set stack, one on top of the other, of the other, of the other. It seems random that I've had a t-shirt there, but no, it's not. The t-shirt, it's the concept is anyone can start a business without any investment. So I used Canva to create the designs for free. Then I went and created a Printify shop. And then basically I did the products. Then I connected Printify with Shopify. And then basically I have this online store. And voila, I didn't need to buy inventory to do this t-shirt. It's basically drop shipping, zero investment. You can do this from home. It just takes like 3 hours or 4 hours to set up from scratch. So the ability to be entrepreneurial is being democratized at an insane pace, which is I find it exciting and amazing. That means also our ways of working, um, at work, they're they are being disrupted as well. The how we build product, the how we build fintech. We shouldn't be doing all these very long development cycles when it comes to product development and design. Like we'll just get in a tool like Lovable or Claude or many others, do a design, check it with customers, basically test, iterate, and then voila, we'll have something that then we can just go and build the first iteration in Lovable and just go to Claude and build something a little bit more for further testing or to show it to execs or to show it to the board. So basically, here it says that it's done. Let me check if it is true. Whoa, what happened? Where your power? Oh my God. It is so cool. Did you check this out? It's like, this is my Bloom app, and now all of a sudden it's it's like, own your power. I love it. Wear your power. That's our new headline, ladies. Whoop, whoop. Okay. And then the well-being products, I think it updated here. This is not just a t-shirt. This is exactly from Bod. Get yours now. Oh, it's still going to WhatsApp. So see, this is like iteration. Okay. This is the last time I'll do it, and then I'll stop wasting credits just for this video. Mexican salsa, remove the order on WhatsApp, city, copy in the button, replace with it yours now, redirect to the, and add payment method in Lovable app using the Shopify connection. Um, then I'll come here. No, here. My products, because maybe it's not live. My products, Mexican salsa, yeah. Inventory. 6. One location. Inventory not tracked. What does that mean? Unlimited. Yeah, these are unlimited. That's it. Oh, this is so cool. Choose a product suggested. Salsa dips and spreads. Yeah. Okay. So it seems like this product is live. Can just copy paste this and then come back to Lovable connection. Here is the product URL in Shopify. Okay, let's build. This is a very long demo video, but I think it's totally worth it. You are behind the scenes with me, how we are adding what everybody is talking about. I don't talk about it. I go and do it, and then I go and show you the how. Um, No, it's this is so annoying. Your current connect already has a Mexican salsa and the checkout works for it. Mm, yes, it's the same shop, but the Mexican salsa product in Lovable is showing order on WhatsApp. It is not showing the Shopify checkout experience. Do not change any of the other products. Okay, awesome. Let's see. This is my last attempt. And I've been burning credits like crazy with just this half an hour. Because usually what I do, it's like I compile all the changes that I want to do in once, but now I'm showing you live. That's okay. Wah! It disappeared. Let's see what's happening. It is, let's see. Let's see what's happening. This is real life, and that's what I love about it. It is unpredictable, just like AI. Oh, no, no. See, it removed the salsa. Okay, it's okay. Okay, let's let's publish. Let's publish as is, and then basically, all this is an experiment. I don't want to spend more credits fixing, but I think you've got the idea. So updating, and in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. It's ready. Okay. So here we are. Toot, 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 toot. You have the shop, you have the Every Woman Should AI. The shop here, you can buy online. This is so cool. Everything else you can buy, you can order in WhatsApp because this is food and then I make it specially for you. This is just buy online. Oh my God. This is mega. This is mega, mega, mega cool. Thank you for joining us in this session. It was 20 minutes, but it's totally worth it. Sending you tons of love. Ciao. Bye bye.